Welcome back to this video. It's my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in this particular scenario here, if you have been using 1688 Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and pay proper attention to this particular vital information I have for you right here, because account ban of 1688 can actually happen to anyone, with reason or without reason. So what you need to do is to know how you solve the problem if eventually this is actually happened to your account on 1688. Nobody can escape it. This can happen to anyone, like I said. So, but when it happened to you, how you solve the problem is the most important thing. And someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp with this particular case, and I was able to provide a simple solution to that. And as a result of that, I decided to make a video about it, so everyone that faced the issue of account ban on 1688 Chinese shopping app can eventually learn from this and usually solve their problem of 1688 Chinese shopping app. But however, if this method does not work for you, let me know in the comment section down below. And also, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp number. Let us discuss further as far as your 1688 Chinese shopping app is concerned. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund you how the account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to the video. Like I said in the beginning of this video, someone reached out to me on WhatsApp based on 1688 account got banned and how we actually solve the 1688 account ban on 1688. I'm going to put the screen record of everything right here so you can watch and learn and pay proper attention to information I have right here. Now, this is the message right here. Good morning, folks. I believe you are doing well by God's grace. I had your number from YouTube. Please, I'm having problem with starting with my suppliers on 1688. I got to know my account is banned, and I have watched your video and I see that it's a primary ban. I have made a video about it in the past, which I explained between primary ban and secondary ban. If your account is primary ban, there is hope for that account. But if it's a secondary ban, there is no hope for that account. How do you know the difference between primary ban and secondary ban? Consider to check the video out on my channel and watch it in full. Then it goes further. Please, what can I do to recover my account? I paid for my goods yesterday and I was able to text with only few of them. Please, can you help out? I will be much grateful. Thanks. Here, you can see from this message here, this person here have even already placed order. He or she does not know that this will happen to him. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this can happen to anybody. Okay, so you might create an account on 1688 today, and that same day, within after a few hours, the account can get banned. Sometimes 1688 app AI misbehave. As a result of that, they can just flag your account. Sometimes you may place order now, and the account got banned, just like what happened to this particular person's right here. But when your account got banned, what do you do? Okay, now I scroll down right here and they sent me the proof that they can no longer message the supplier. This is this interface that comes when I try to message supplier. So let's check it out. So each time you are trying to make chat with the supplier, you are getting something like this. And as a result of that, you have a primary ban on your 1688 account, which simply means that you can recover your account without even contacting buyer support on 1688 Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. Now, how do we solve this particular problem right here? I just give them a simple narration. So let's go down and check it out. Now, afternoon, I try to update your 1688 app first and retry to message your supplier. This is just a simple fix right here. Now, after that, they were able to come back to me. Please, I'm doing that. You can see, please. You can see right here, all right, please, I'm doing that. So after a few minutes, they later came back to me. If you check on the time right here, this is 1:15 and this is 1:26. This is about 11 minutes later. Thank you so much. Please, now I can messages to my supplier. Both my Alipay and 1688 was out of date. After updating both of them, it came. God bless you. It's that simple. This is a simple fix. Now, what I want to quickly say here is that it is very much important for you, if you are using 1688, it's very much important for you to always update the app, both the 1688 app and your Alipay app. If you don't know how to update those apps, consider to check the video tutorial out on my channel about how you can update the two apps at the same time, or in order to avoid this type of account ban problem. So this is one of the reasons why most accounts can be flagged and most accounts can be blocked on 1688. 1688 always release new updates on weekly basis, on monthly basis. So, and if they discover that you are not being active and you are not being updating the app for about 3 months or 6 months, the account will be taken back. And as a result of that, the account will be fully blocked. That's simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you still have more questions about 1688 Chinese shopping app or any Chinese e-commerce app or website is concerned, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Or you can also put down your question in the comment section down below of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.